Western Cape health authorities say all hospitals have shown an increase in admissions of people with mental health challenges over the last 6 months.
We have seen an increase as we come out of the third wave of people presenting into emergency centers with acute psychosis and mental and behavior disorders, mainly related to substance abuse over this period of time. And that is your psychotic patients that's increasing. And that is a phenomenon we're seeing now in our ECs and into the acute hospitals as we're coming off the third wave.
The pandemic has added pressure to an already strained healthcare system.
We're seeing the impact of 3 waves decreasing the access for mental health across that entire continuum. And we're seeing the rebound of that. That's by no means the only health condition, but we're seeing it acutely in the acute hospitals. That's why we're flagging that as a specific thing. What is required is a whole of society, a whole of government rethink of our model to manage mental health conditions.
34% of the population in the Western Cape over the age of 18 are fully vaccinated. The province is capable of administering 200,000 jabs per week, but is falling short of this target because of a lack of demand. Statistics show the most recent wave of the pandemic was far more intense, longer and deadlier than the second wave. People over the age of 50 remain the most vulnerable. Calls have been made to the public once more to get vaccinated as soon as possible.
If you yourself are unsure, please make sure that you consult a medical professional, ask the questions you need to ask. At our vaccine sites, there's someone who will also be able to advise you of that, of any issue that you might have or any question you might have. But please, let's make use of this time right now to get ourselves vaccinated. Please, we owe it not only to yourselves, but we owe it to those frontline workers. We owe it to our economy.
Communities are also urged to remain vigilant as a 4th wave of the pandemic is expected. But authorities say it can be mitigated through vaccinations and cautious behavior. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Cape Town.